Well, right now we're so close to the end. So it's more important now than ever to be vaccinated so that we can reach that herd immunity and really get back to that normal that everyone's looking for.
Vaccination is important because we want everybody protected from the COVID-19 virus. And we don't know enough about it really to say whether if you've already been infected, if your immunity is going to be lifelong. We also don't know how long the virus is going to be present in our community. So the more people are vaccinated, the less likely there will be continued spread in the community.
Native Americans are at increased risk for complications from COVID-19. So this is especially important to get vaccinated.
There's a lot of science behind the approval of the vaccines. And so I could understand that there is hesitancy and it does feel like it happened overnight, but a lot of this is being built on decades of research. It may have happened very quickly, but a lot of research has happened up until this point that prepared us for now.
What we really recommend is that you reach out to your primary care provider, whether that's Dr. Maloney or one of our nurse practitioners, or you can give me a call and I can help you work through some of the myths that you might be seeing and, figure out what is out there, what's real, what's not, point you in the right direction of good research that's out there that you can view.
And ask questions to the right people. Trusted healthcare providers, your primary care provider, staff that work with vaccine clinics, but definitely do your homework, and ask the questions that you're concerned about. The answers are out there. The truth is out there. There's a lot of misinformation. Speaking with someone that you know and trust that has that knowledge to share can really help people feel more confident.
So it's very important to get vaccinated to protect yourself and the communities and to get back to normal cultural activities to end this pandemic.
We don't know anything else other than to be able to go and be in our community and share our traditions and sit down with an elder and have coffee and hear their stories and watch the little bonojis, the little kids running around and dancing and listening to that drum, listening to that grandfather drum and hearing the singing and the songs. And that's how we pass on our traditions. And that means so much to us. That is like our heart. So now we have this barrier where we couldn't go to powwows. We couldn't go to ceremony because of the risk. It was such a high risk, not knowing the unknown. And now we have this vaccination that is helping us get back to our way of life. It's been a blessing.